So now we are going to discuss the factless fact table. So I told in the starting classes, we are going to describe the tables in data warehousing in the three ways. One is the dimension tables, one is the fact tables, one is the factless fact table, right? So we already discussed the dimension table and then fact table. Now we are going to discuss the factless fact table is the third last one. Okay. So the naming itself it is a factless fact. This factless fact table is a fact table, but it won't be any facts available in the table. Okay. So that is the reason the naming convention itself factless fact. It is a fact table only, but it won't be available any fact measures. Fact measure is nothing but what is a measure? Fact measure. Okay. So the numerical data, it won't be available any numerical data in the factless fact table. But we consider as a this is a fact table. We'll see example how it will be there. For example, simple understanding. Take any class. Okay. You can take the school or class. So in particular class, okay, how many students, how many classes are there? Each day, day ID means particular day. Okay. Okay. In particular day, how many classes are there? So each class, how many students are attended? Student ID, and then maybe subject ID, something. So like that it will be there. So these all are only keys, right? These all are will be in keys only. Day ID, class ID, student ID, subject ID, or teacher something, teacher ID something. What are the things are there? Only keys are is going to store into the this factless fact table. There is no other textual description or numerical data. It's not going to store into the factless fact table. That is the reason we call as a factless fact table is a fact table, but it won't contains any measures. It won't contain any measure or fact. Both are the same. Measure and fact both are the same. Okay. It won't contain any measure or measure. That's why we call as a factless fact table is a fact table, but it won't contains any measures. It present only the keys. It represents the only keys in the table. But these based on this table, we can able to do some calculation. On particular day, how many classes happen? How many students are attended the class? Okay. How many subjects are there? Which are the subjects? So like that we can able to do some calculations, right? The same way here we can able, that is the reason we call as a this is a fact table, but there is no facts in the this table. Clear guys? What is a factless fact table? Factless fact table is a fact table, but it won't contains any measures. It will be available store the only keys of keys. Dimension table reference keys means foreign keys is going to store into the factless fact table. Example, real-time example. This is a just general example I given. General example I given. Okay. The real-time example if you want, with the interview point of view, you can say the promotion table. You can say we have the fact promotions. Fact promotions. Under fact promotions, we have the day wise, day ID, store ID. Store ID is nothing but the location ID. Okay. Product ID. Okay. Promo ID or event ID. What is the event? Event ID, promo ID. Like that, these kind of keys is going to store into the fact promotions table. So here on particular day, particular store, on product, particular product, how many promotions are there? Okay, for one product it will be multiple promotions. If you buy one product, then it will apply one product, one promo code. Or if you apply the same brand, we have multiple buy one get three or something is there, right? Different multiple promotions also is going to apply in the same product. Like that, we can able to do some calculation how many for each event, what is the promo ID, when it is going to expire with this promo ID. This kind of information they're going to calculate the by using the this fact promotion table. They're going to generate the reports. Okay, so mainly factless fact table is nothing but the factless fact table is a fact table, but it won't contains any measures in the table fact table. But it represent that it will store the only the keys, the IDs only is going to store. Based on the IDs, they're going to generate the reports, calculations. They're going to generate the calculations. That is nothing. Those kind of tables is nothing but the factless fact tables. In the factless fact table, it won't store any textual description of the data, any numerical data. It's not going to store into the factless fact table. Clear, guys? Any doubts here? Any doubts, guys, regarding the factless fact table? Based on this, they're going to generate the different kind of reports they're going to generate. So each day, how many promo codes are sold, or each product, how many solds are there, or multiple same product, how many multiple products are there. What is the event start date and end date? Okay, what is the expiry of this promo ID? Like there are different kind of calculations they're going to generate. They're going to analyze by using the this factless fact tables. One of the best example will be fact promotions. So you have to explain this one in the interview point of view. Fact promotion is the table. So based on that, they're going to calculate based on the event, how many promo codes are there, how many promo codes are the sold. Like that, they're going to generate the calculations in the factless fact table. Clear, guys? Any doubts here? Okay. Okay. The finally factless fact table is nothing but the fact table, but it won't contains any measures. Okay, measure is nothing, you know, you people know the measure. What is measure? So numerical data. Whatever the measure is the numerical data that we call as a measure or fact. Fact attribute or fact. Okay, but it will present only keys or IDs or keys, both are the same. So it store only IDs or keys in a factless fact table.